Bonjour tout le monde and welcome to Musings of a Fox. This video I'm bringing you a tutorial for a look that skyrocketed for me on Instagram. It wasn't even that good a photo, but you guys were so sweet and you loved it so much. And I asked if you guys wanted a tutorial and you said yes. So here it is. This tutorial is going to be a voiceover style because it is incredibly hot in the Bay Area. I need my fans on and I don't want to make you guys hear fan noise. Right now my fan is off so I can record this audio without the horrible noise, but the rest of the video will be voiceover. Let me know if you guys actually like the voiceover style or if you prefer a live video. I promise you guys, once it's cooler, we'll go back to more live talking makeup tutorials. For moisturizer, we're starting off with the Squalane and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer from BIOSSANCE. I'm not quite sure, but it was in my Sephora play and I really love it. I'm definitely going to get a full size of it. For primer, it's Urban Decay's Urban Defense. With the summer heat, I love the SPF, and also with all the fires we've had, I also love the protection from all the free radicals and crazy chemicals. For all the times I interrupted her and I heard my text during her videos, this is her in my video. Realizing I'm skipping steps in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I mean, what else do you use in a YouTube makeup tutorial? I mean, really. Taking a base color from the NYX Warm Neutrals palette because the eyeshadows I'm going to be using are pretty slippery, so they need something a little more to grip onto. Time to put the NATASHA DENONA Lila Palette to some very, very good use. Taking the creamy lilac shade Per Se as my crease color and blending it with a Sigma dupe of the MAC 224. For the eyeshadow portions, I want to let you guys truly understand how long I've been blending for. It may be seconds, but it's really 2 full minutes and then taking a clean brush and blending some more. For the outer V, I'm taking Nude Vino and kind of doing a preliminary outer V and crease. So I'm blending that with the Per Se and laying a groundwork for the smoky color. Blending each eye for 30 seconds and then softening with a clean brush. Now going in with Layla on a pencil brush and giving myself a smoky outer V and blending this part for about a minute or so and really just adding more to smoke it up. The key to blending is always going back in with a clean brush and having lots and lots of clean brushes on hand. If this face doesn't get you to subscribe, I don't think anything will. So now I'm just slathering my lid with Juno, but I always make sure when I'm blending between an outer corner and the lid is to go back and forth between the two brushes, adding more of both products until you get a smooth blend. As always, Urban Decay Perversion Liner for tight lining. Clinique's Pretty Easy Liner is my favorite no-fail liner for wings. It doesn't bleed, it never gives me like a fat accidental wing, it's just always clean, precise, and perfect. For the bottom lash line, which we're going to put an eyeshadow color over, I'm taking Urban Decay's Vice Liner and really trying to like rub it into my lash line so it's not creating a gap so it looks like my skin is purple where my lashes grow. Make sure to give your eyes like a break between doing things so you don't wind up like this. Yeah. Over Vice, I'm putting Amethyst from the Lila palette and really getting that to glow. I love the sheer terror in my eyes from applying mascara. It's great. To get the bloodshot look, make sure you tight line the bottom waterline with Vice. Time for the best part of this look. Ultraviolet Amethyst from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette is probably one of my favorite eyeshadows ever made. It's just beautiful and the glow is insane. Though it really makes me want to try the Black Moon Cosmetics highlighters, but I just like having so many colors in one palette. So remember this? Yeah, it's time to actually do my foundation properly. I'm using Born This Way from Too Faced in the color Warm Nude. I actually do like to apply this foundation in 2 coats and use a dense brush like this one from Smith Cosmetics to really buff the foundation in. I think it gives a fantastic finish. For me, it goes way too patchy when I use a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm taking the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Light Beige. blending it with the Real Techniques Dome Shadow Brush, my favorite concealer brush. So I'm not fully confident with it yet, but I'm obsessed with MAC's Shape and Shade Brow Tint. I highly recommend Vintage Tacky's tutorial on this product. I think she does a great job explaining it. Adding a bit of bronze with Urban Decay's Beach Bronzer in Sunkissed. My body may look pretty sun-kissed in this video, but that's actually a fake tan, and I'm trying to get my face to catch up. Using Prim from an old Tarte blush palette that I had lying around. But really, that's just a backdrop for the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Halo that I'm going to go absolutely nuts with. This product is definitely one of the most rewarding kind of splurges I've ever made on a makeup product. I just love it every time I use it, and it's just so much fun. But anyone who's watched this channel for a while knows I never stop there. Time for just a little more ultraviolet amethyst. Just a little. With over-the-top highlighters, I always go back with my foundation brush to blend it in. Finishing off Complexion with the Too Faced translucent powder and my beautiful new Wayne Goss brush, courtesy of Vintage Tacky. Thank you, bestie! Lastly, we have lips, which I totally forgot to film. It's Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel down below in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and even share it. Share it with your friends. Share it. Share it. Clicky. Just click share. I'll see you next time. Bye.